Hi, Dan here from Bubbles and Suds Window Cleaning in South Wales. Today I'd like to just show you around my car so you can see my setup. Maybe it'll give you some ideas. Now, I know a lot of people say if you're window cleaning with a water-fed pole, you definitely need a van. Well, I would definitely recommend that too. If you're going to be carrying a large tank and reels and things like that, I would definitely recommend a van because so many things can go wrong. You can get leaks, damages to the vehicle, because the car really just isn't designed to take that kind of weight. Whereas I use a trolley system, so let's go have a look. So here's my car. It's a Crossland X, quite spacious so I can fit everything in. And behind the passenger seat here I've got my bucket, my squeegee and things, and then a nice big tub for all my cleaning cloths, and that's where I put the cloths then as they get wet during the day. This side I've got my extendable ladder, waterproofs, my cleaning fluid, and another tub then for bits and pieces, tools, and then in the back here we've got my water-fed pole, trolley, and then the tubs that all fit in there nice, the barrels for extra water. And then as you can see then also I've got my water-fed pole. So that was a quick walk around of my vehicle and the setup I use. I hope it helps. I will be doing another video soon on the trolley system that I use. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll get back to you guys soon.